हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एडुकेटर स्पोर्ट। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एमसीक्यूज ऑन आउटपुट डिवाइसेस ऑफ कंप्यूटर। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ एन आउटपुट डिवाइस इन ए कंप्यूटर सिस्टम? ऑप्शन है इनपुटिंग डाटा, स्टोरिंग डाटा, डिस्प्लेइंग और प्रेजेंटिंग डाटा, प्रोसेसिंग डाटा। इसका राइट ऑप्शन है सी, डिस्प्लेइंग और प्रेजेंटिंग डाटा। एक्सप्लेनेशन, आउटपुट डिवाइसेज आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर प्रेजेंटिंग डाटा प्रोसेस्ड बाय द कंप्यूटर टू द यूजर इन ए ह्यूमन रीडेबल फॉर्म। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन आउटपुट डिवाइस? ऑप्शन है प्रिंटर, कीबोर्ड, मॉनिटर, प्रोजेक्टर। इसका राइट ऑप्शन है बी, कीबोर्ड। Keyboards are input devices used for entering data into the computer system. Which output device produces a permanent human readable text or graphics on paper? Option A, monitor, projector, printer, plotter. इसका right option है C, printer. Explanation, printers produce hard copies of text or graphics on paper. Question number 4, which output device is commonly used to display images, videos and text from the computer? Option A, printer, plotter, monitor, speaker. इसका right option है C, monitor. Monitors display visual output from the computer. Question number 5, which output device converts digital signals into analog signals for audio playback? Option A, printer, plotter, monitor, speaker. इसका right option है D, speaker. Speakers convert digital audio signals into analog sound waves for human perception. Question number 6, which output device is often used for large scale presentations in meetings or conferences? Option A, printer, plotter, projector, monitor. इसका right option है C, projector. Projectors display computer generated images or videos into a large screen or wall. Question number 7, which output device is suitable for producing high quality graphical outputs such as architectural designs or maps? Option A, printer, plotter, monitor, speaker. इसका right option है B, plotter. Plotters are capable of producing high quality large scale graphical output. Question number 8, which output device is commonly used for printing text documents? Option A, laser printer, inkjet printer, dot matrix printer, plotter. इसका right option है A, laser printer. Explanation, laser printers are commonly used for printing text documents due to their speed and high quality output. Question number 9, which output device uses a series of pins to strike against an ink ribbon to produce text or graphics on paper? Option A, laser printer, inkjet printer, dot matrix printer, thermal printer. इसका राइट ऑप्शन है सी, डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर. एक्सप्लेनेशन, डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर्स use pins to strike against an ink ribbon, creating characters or images on paper. Question number 10, which output device uses heat to transfer ink onto paper, making it suitable for printing receipts or labels? Option A, laser printer, inkjet printer, dot matrix printer, thermal printer. इसका राइट ऑप्शन है डी, thermal printer. Thermal printers use heat to transfer ink onto paper, commonly used for printing receipts or labels. Question number 11, which type of printer produces high quality color prints by spraying tiny droplets of ink onto paper? Option A, laser printer, inkjet printer, dot matrix printer, thermal printer. इसका right option है B, inkjet printer. Inkjet printers produce high quality color prints by spraying ink droplets onto paper. Question number 12, which output device is commonly used for producing 3D models or prototypes? Option A, laser printer, inkjet printer, dot matrix printer, 3D printer. इसका right option है D, 3D printer. 3D printers create three-dimensional objects by adding material layer by layer. Question number 13, which output device is essential for visually impaired users to convert digital text into tactile output? Option A, plotter, braille printer, speaker, projector. इसका right option है B, braille printer. Braille printers convert digital text into braille characters for tactile reading by visually impaired users. Question number 14, which output device is used to produce large scale banners or posters? Option A, laser printer, inkjet printer, plotter, thermal printer. इसका right option है C, plotter. Plotters are suitable for producing large scale graphical output such as banners or posters. Which output device converts digital signals into audible sound waves? Option A, printer, plotter, monitor, speaker. इसका right option है speaker. Speakers converts digital audio signals into audible sound waves. Question number 16, which output device is commonly used for printing barcodes and labels? बारकोड्स और लेबल्स को यूज़ करने के लिए, प्रिंट करने के लिए कौन सा आउटपुट डिवाइस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है? ऑप्शन ए, लेजर प्रिंटर, इंकजेट प्रिंटर, डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर, थर्मल प्रिंटर. इसका राइट ऑप्शन है डी, थर्मल प्रिंटर. Thermal printers are often used for printing barcodes and labels due to their speed and reliability. Question number 17. Which output device is essential for visually presenting data to an audience in a slideshow format? Option A printer, plotter, projector, speaker. इसका राइट ऑप्शन है सी प्रोजेक्टर. Projectors display visual content from a computer onto a large screen or wall commonly used for presentations. Question number 18. Which output device is commonly used for outputting audio data in a digital format? Option A printer, plotter, projector, scanner, speaker. इसका राइट ऑप्शन है डी स्पीकर. Explanation: speakers output audio data in a digital format, converting digital signals into sound waves. Question number 19. Which output device is used to print characters or images on special heat sensitive paper? Option A laser printer, inkjet printer, dot matrix printer, thermal printer. इसका राइट ऑप्शन है डी थर्मल प्रिंटर. Thermal printers use heat to transfer ink onto heat sensitive paper, commonly used in fax machines and point of sale systems. Question number 20 और इस सेशन का ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. Question number 20. Which output device is suitable for creating precise detailed drawings or designs? Option A laser printer, inkjet printer, plotter, thermal printer. Explanation: इसका राइट ऑप्शन है सी प्लॉटर्स आर आइडियल फॉर क्रिएटिंग प्रिसाइज डिटेल्ड ड्राइंग्स और डिजाइंस कॉमनली यूज्ड इन इंजीनियरिंग एंड आर्किटेक्चर एप्लीकेशंस. तो ये थे हमारे आज के 20 क्वेश्चन जो कि आउटपुट डिवाइसेस के बेस पे थे.